everyone. Today we are going to solve the next question from SS Proto. The question is 1.3 and it says a helicopter takes off along the vertical path with an acceleration a is equals to 3 meter per second square and 0 initial velocity. So we have this say base and this is helicopter. It is taking off in the vertical direction. Let's say its acceleration is 3 meter per second square. Given in the question, initial velocity is 0 and it says in a certain time t1 the pilot switches off the engine and it flies upward up to height h, and after time t1 the pilot switches off the engine, and at the time of takeoff, the point where it takes off, the point from where it takes off, this point, the sound dies away in time t2 is equals to 30 seconds. So here is a person, the one who is listening to this helicopter from initial time t is equals to 0, and this helicopter is going upward and he is still listening, and at this point after time t1 the pilot switched off the engine and he is still listening because sound will come down and it will take some time. So after time t2, that is 30 seconds, the sound dies away, and they are asking determine the velocity v of the helicopter at the moment when its engine is switched off, assuming that the velocity c of sound is 320 meter per second. So it is given that suppose this time t1 from this point is say a to b, time a to b, from a to b, time taken by the helicopter is t1, and this time taken by the sound from b to a, that is t dash, and this whole time is t2. This is given in the question. So this time is say 30 second. This is given in the question that time t2 is 30 second, and this t1 time we don't know this time t1, and this t, this time, this is the time taken by the sound to come from b to a. So time is distance upon velocity. So distance is h and velocity of the sound is c. Now we need to find h because we don't know h in this equation. So to find h, we know s is equals to ut plus half at square. We will use this equation. So h is the height, that is the displacement covered by this helicopter. Initial velocity is 0, half into acceleration is 3 into time from a to b by the helicopter is t1 square. So it is 3 by 2 t1 square, and we will write this value of h in this equation. So 30 is equals to t1 plus h. In place of h we can write 3 t1 square upon what is c. C is 320 and we have 2 right here. So we will solve this equation now. If we will solve this equation, it will be like this: 30 into 320 into 2. If we simplify this, and 320 into 2, that gives me 640 t1 plus 3 t1 square. So this is a quadratic equation, and let's write it like this: t1 minus, and this will give me 2 into 30 into 320, that will be equals to 0. Now we have to solve for c, solve for t, solve for t1, let's say. Now we have to find discriminant, and that is b square minus 4 ac. If we will write this 640 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is minus 2 into 30 into 320, and if you will calculate this, that comes out to be 640000. Now we know how to solve the quadratic equation, and t1 will be minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a, and that will give me minus b. I will write 640 plus minus under root d. D is this will be 640000 and 2a, and a is 3. Now we will get this. If we will solve this, it will be minus 640 plus minus 800 divided by 3 into 2, 3 into 2, and we will not consider negative values because time is not a negative value. So this implies T1 comes out to be 800 positive 800 minus 640 divided by 3 into 2, that will give me 80 by 3. Okay, we know this time T1, but this is not the answer. They are asking about the velocity at the time when engine is switched off, or in other words we can say they are asking about the velocity of the helicopter after time T1. So we will use this equation, V is equals to U plus AT, and V initial velocity, this A is 3, T is 80 by 3, T1. So it will cancel this, and velocity of the helicopter comes out to be 80 meter per second, and this is the correct answer. So this question is bit lengthy, not a type of SS Grotto, but again we have to solve this. Okay, thank you.